All right, welcome everyone to AI Drive, the Chief AI Driver here. I'm happy to show you guys this new plugin, AI plugin, to that's really handy when it comes to having you have helping to helping you out with all your Excel work, all your Excel um, needs, be it data analysis, be it um, formatting, be it visualization, be it your everyday um, arithmetic, calculations and whatnot. So whether you're a business person that use Excel for your customer data, um, your product and all that, this tool is really handy. It can help you with it can help you make your work easy. It can help you make your save time. It can help you be more efficient and also increase your profit, in the long run. And you might not eventually need to hire somebody, an external person, depending on how sophisticated your work is. So, but then yeah, the tool is really cool, and I'm sure you will love it. So let's go right into it. All right, all right. So the name of this tool is called Rosie AI. As you can see, your AI Excel expert. So what Rosie does, so Rosie is like your ChatGPT Excel for Excel, right? So it helps you. You just give it a prompt. You write in something. Okay, do this for me. Analyze this spreadsheet. Analyze this information. Give me the result for this. I want to be able to get a result for this data for this um, amount, and it just does it for you, right? So using your normal languages, your normal natural language, yeah. So it's really cool. So the name of the website, just for you to go check it out, is called Ask Rosie. You can see on my phone, askrosie.ai, right? So you can check it out from here. But then, like I said, it's a plugin. It's not exactly a chatbot. It's a plugin, so it syncs with your Excel, with your Microsoft Excel. It syncs with that. So for you to be able to use that, you have to go to your Excel. So the next software will be opening is that Excel. I'm sure most of us already have our Excel installed on our PCs or our system. So just be able to open that. I already have mine open up here, so I'll just go straight up to it. Okay. So for illustration purpose, I will just open I think a work I did here before for grading system. So let me just open this. All right. So we are here. So this the Excel. You can time trying to open up the grading system sheet. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, let me just take this out. All right, sorry, I'm having a bit of. Okay, so it's trying to load. Sorry, it's trying to load up. It's trying to load up. Okay, so let me just cancel this so I can properly illustrate what I want to talk about. Okay, very quickly. So the next thing you do is go to your tab, look for at your top right, you see adding. So you click adding. But before then, please ensure you have your Google signed in, like you're signed into your Google account on your Excel. So you can see I'm already signed into my account here. So you click adding, then you click more adding to search for the particular plugins you want to use for this um, tutorial. So which is Rosie AI, of course. So let's give it some time to load up. Awesome. So right here, we'll just click Rosie AI. Please ensure you have this. type. Sorry, it can be the type of Rosie AI. As you can see, um, Rosie AI. Please ensure you have this type properly. Rosie AI, like with space. Then you click the search icon. So you're searching for Rosie AI. Awesome. So you have it here at the top. Rosie AI ChatGPT for Excel. So you click add. I won't add this because I already have it added in my Excel already. So I'm just doing this to illustrate how you can add that to your Excel. Awesome. So I'll just cancel this, right? Then yeah. So once you do that, you have it um, installed to your Excel, and it will appear at the top right, as you can see on my Excel here. So once you have that done, you click to start up the um, to start up with the AI. So you click start with the AI. So I'll just click start now. Awesome. So it already showed me, you know, it said hi, Favor, I'm Rosie, your AI spreadsheet assistant. So yeah. So now we can now start any conversation with regards to anything you want to do, excuse me, on our Excel. Okay. So right now I want to be able to grade. I already done this before for I think just trying out the stuff, the plugin. So I'll just delete this and I'll just delete this just to illustrate something. Oops. Okay. All right. I have it deleted already. So now I want to be able to um, grade these students based on their average score, right? So if the student scores above 50 but less than 70, it should be B. Student scores above 70 upward, it should be A. Student scores below 50, it should be C. Yeah. So we just do that to kind of illustrate and yeah, see how what Rosie can do. All right. So grade, I'll just give it a prompt. Grade these grade these students based based on the average average can't spell average again. Average score. Okay, so I'll just give it a more detailed prompt. So if score is greater, see, if score is greater or equal to 70, score the student A. All right. If score is greater greater or equal to 50, should it say 60? Okay, let's say 60. 60, give the student B. All right. Then if score is less than less than let's say 59, just for illustration. It is not a real case scenario, so not possible. If score is less than 59, C, right? Yeah, C. So let's see what Rosie does. So it's running it in the background. As you can see, let's give it some time. So it's running it. Um, how long or how fast it can be depends on how fast your network is. So let's give it some time. Give it some time. All right, you can see it's generating it already. So I'll set the formula in F5. Now it's already tracking. It starts with this first one, so it's already tracking it. So I want to see if it can do the rest. That's giving us this already C. As you can see, C because of course less than 59 as we, stated in our prompts. Okay, awesome, awesome. So it has completed the grading. Now, um, the reason it gave us only C is because we did not start, like we did not highlight everything here. Do you understand? So it's like what he understands is that he felt we only wanted it to give us the output for just Ben, which is what we highlighted um in this box, like the cell we selected, right? This is the cell we selected, so it gave us the result for that cell. Or if you wanted to give the result for all the cell, you can just highlight everything, or you put it in the first one. Okay, so it's really cool. It's really cool. So let's assume I want to do it. Normally in Excel you can drag down. Okay, you know what? Let me drag down. Okay. You can just drag down as it will give you the result for the other one. I'm sure most of us know this already. Let me see. Let me drag up. Drag up. Awesome, awesome. So this is the result we got using Rosie. So let's assume you want to now we want to convert this to a chart. Okay. I'll say convert this to a chart for each um subject. Yeah, subject. Awesome. So let's click that and see. So it can be anything whatsoever. It doesn't have to be what I'm the way I'm illustrating it. You can use it for anything whatsoever, depending on your use case, depending on what you are trying to achieve. The field you are in. Maybe you are doing it for a research paper, research work. As a student or a business person, you need to um, quickly compute the sum or total or the average of maybe a particular set of data or anything. The use case is just numerous. So yeah, it's really handy. It's really, really cool. Really, really cool. So it's giving us the strength to generate it. And let's see how he can achieve that. So he's generating it, it would bring out, okay, let's give it some time. Let's give it some time. Give it some time. Okay. See, I've created a three separate column chart on sheet one showing his scores in math, each each anchored at different cells. I don't know why it seems to be showing an error. I think um, there's a mix up somewhere. All right. Awesome. Awesome. So he just created I created three columns chart for math English in sheet one using okay. I think I really did not specify so let's do this again, sorry. Let me cancel this. Let me just cancel this. Let me just cancel this. Um delete I want to delete this. I want to delete this. Alright. Let me highlight. Okay. I think it's trying to create this thing for the individual stuff, right? So yeah. So like I said, it depends on how Depends on how you give the kind of input you give it, the kind of prompts, rather, right? So, but we can see how powerful this tool is. Was able to generate the chart for each of the subjects all by itself. So thank you guys for your time. I'm sure you have need of this tool. You can use it for any project that you normally want to use Excel for. So do well to play around it. Do well to just check the use cases and tell me how cool you find it to be. Thank you very much and see you some other time. Do well to subscribe, like, and share so you get more videos like this from us. Thank you and see you some other time.